Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add an angry face effects to videos or photos on CapCut. So after you import your video, to find the angry face effect, you can just go to the effects and click on body effects, and then here just swipe until you find the mood tab. Click on it and then scroll down until you find this red face effect, and after that click on a check icon, and in here you can also adjust the stickers and also the atmosphere of the angry or red face, and you can also adjust the size. Click on a check icon when you're done, and here is the angry face effects for you. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.